Pound cake, great weather. Dave Nussbaum's here to tell us about the rest of the weekend. Dave.
Well, great to be eating that. Love some pound cake, and great to have lunch outdoors today. My goal is we're looking at still more beautiful weather, plenty of sunshine. Notice there are a few clouds starting to roll in, and that's going to be the trend over the next couple of days. You can see from our BJCC camera, still looks very nice. 77 degrees out there. We are talking about some comfortable weather around the area. 79 Alabaster to Moundville, 77 Tuscaloosa back to Asheville, 79 in Anniston, already in the 80s there in Jasper, with Coleman coming in at 75 degrees. I got a couple of clouds trying to work their way into the area, but aside from that, though, we're looking at still high pressure to our south, bringing up southerly flow. You can see that kind of working its way through the Ark-La-Miss area, just coming on into parts of southwestern part of Alabama. And eventually we'll see more of those clouds to our west building on in over the next couple of days. Still making for some decent weather out there with high temperatures in the 80s today. Northport, Tuscaloosa, Utah, 81, Reform, Gordo, Aliceville area, Vernon, about 80 degrees with plenty of sunshine and a couple of clouds. Here across the I-65 corridor, Coleman, 79, 80, Birmingham, Hoover, Alabaster back to Clanton, Pell City as well. Centerville, Jasper also going to be in the 80s for you. And off to the east, we're looking at temperatures there about upper 70s to lower 80s. Rockford, Sylacauga, Talladega area there around 80, 79 degrees. Oxford at 80 degrees as well. Gadsden just shy of that at 79. So still looking at some great weather. And if you're trying to do something tonight, maybe head up to one of the fish fries out there the first Friday of Lent. For many of you, 78 degrees here by 4 o'clock when most of those fish fries begin. By dinner time, we're at 72, and by 8 o'clock, most of them coming to an end. We're looking at 65 degrees, so great weather outdoors. The only bad thing about all this nice weather this week is that everything is blooming, so pollen levels are going berserk out there. On a 12-point scale, we're at 10 today, 11 Saturday, Sunday into Monday. But fortunately, there's going to be some rain coming into play next week. It may help to clean out the air just a little bit. And that starts on Monday and continues with another batch of rain on Wednesday. So we're going to see some wet weather coming into play. Unfortunately, maybe some strong storms Monday. But before that, great weather this weekend, 80 to 81 Saturday and Sunday. No problems out there with some fantastic weather. But looking ahead to late on Sunday into Monday, you'll see pretty quiet to start off your Monday. No problems out there. But here comes this cold front with a line of showers and thunderstorms. Some of these could get strong, possibly on the severe side, especially from Birmingham northward as we go through Monday afternoon into Monday evening as the front passes through. By 10 o'clock, the rains, at least at this point, expected to be gone. So by Tuesday morning and afternoon, just some lingering clouds and showers in southern part of Alabama. So we don't really need to worry about that. But there is a level 2 slight risk out there from really I-59 corridor to the north and west. So because of that, we have issued a weather aware for Monday afternoon and evening for the threat for some heavier rain, gusty winds, and can't rule out a few tornadoes possible with this line as it moves through. Not going to be a huge event, but enough that it could disrupt our lives, of course, and that's why we've issued that weather aware for the threat for some severe weather. So enjoy the 80s through the weekend. There you see 77 Monday with those storms turning much colder, though, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. How about high temperatures there with still some lingering rain, especially Wednesday, struggling to get to 60 degrees.
All right, Dave, the time is now 12:17.